me know. But Toni is a full cap. I'm obsessed with the color, y'all. Look at that color. So pretty. I am obsessed with this color. Let me slide her on. So pretty. Do y'all see the vision with the color? Let me pull my ears out. There it is. So cute, y'all. Thank you for all the follows, y'all. Anybody that's following me on here, I appreciate y'all. We're trying to get to 5 grand before the end of the year. We might even get there sooner than that. Let's say before Christmas. We want to do a big Christmas sale for everybody. So make sure to follow. We'll start doing our free giveaways again like we did before. We're just finally starting to dip our toe into going live again. So, but look at this style. Is this color not so cute? Like, the color is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So this is, what's her name again, Mom? Toni. I should know that. That's my husband's name.